Hello, my light welcome Goldsman and Willman. It's me, the Goldsman, and light welcome Jokerver. So today we'll be opening a Suicune and Pikachu Suicune and Pikachu Lombre pack. So
Livery
pack.
Look at this epic card. Look at this.
Pikachu.
Here's the amazing crowbar. Sorry.
Barcode.
Barcode. Sorry.
So let's get opening it. Let's open it. All right.
Okay, so we're back.
Yeah, we're back.
Cardboard. I called the cardboard. Okay, so
yeah, I'm gonna get the Pikachu one.
Yep. So who's gonna open theirs first?
Me.
Okay.
My channel. So yeah.
By the way, also choose break card.
Ninja. I hope I get something good. So yeah, first we'll start with this Pikachu loan.
But first, let's start with the Goldsman Gold Pikachu coin.
Yeah. So my Pikachu Lombre. There we go.
Livery. Oh my
Livery.
god.
An Electric. Ooh, a Glamour. Oh shoot. Sorry, I'm a little off balance. A Bizzle. Blitzel.
I think that's what it's called. Yep, it's
Electrovive. Perugly.
That's per ugly.
I know. Electrobuzz.
Ooh.
Manectric.
Looking cool, Suicune.
A Potion. A Tierno.
Another
A
ugly.
Another Perugly.
That's per ugly.
A Electric Energy.
There you go.
Another Electric Energy. A Fletchling. A Electrobuzz. Another Pikachu.
What?
Another
Are you kidding me?
A Manectric.
Wow, that's a good card.
Another
Blitzel.
Another Blitzel. Another Electric. Another
Energy.
I said
that one.
All right. There's 3 energies. Talo, more energies. Electrovive, energies, and a Glamour. Yeah, that was pretty interesting. Now it's Jay's turn.
Okay.
Right.
Somebody's calling you.
So,
Okay, so first of all, we got this pretty cool Suicune. It's a foil card. Right here we got a Tierno, a Water Energy, a Sawana. That's a really cool card. A Golding, a Sea King, a Ducklet. Ooh, we got a Froakie. See the Frogadier in the background? The energy.
Frogadier.
Oh, Frogadier with the Froakie in the background. Wow.
Let's see.
Hey, my cards.
Oh, it's right next to the Frogadier.
Look. Holy crap. The Easter egg card.
Easter
In
egg
the background,
card.
there's a Frogadier. And in the background, there's a Froakie.
Very neat.
I wonder if I could get a green ninja. No.
Jay, which one do you want? Orange or blue?
Orange.
Well,
This
one's
mine. This one's mine.
blue. Alright.
I like that one, and mine.
Alright, so another tier.
We gotta, we bite some stuff. Another freaking Tierno. An water energy. Another Sawana. An energy. Ooh, we got a Piplup.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's winking. Okay, so we got
In
a
the
Potion. Another Suicune. That's pretty
Yeah.
sweet. Get it?
Yeah. But don't do it again.
Sweet. Okay, so in this Goldeen, in the background, you can see like tech stuff in there. It's stuck in something.
I'm not sure.
Seeking another Froakie. An energy. Despite all this being water energy, an energy,
Another ducklet.
another ducklet, another frogadier. Wow. An energy. We've got an Eevee. We got an energy. Got an energy. And a freaking other energy. Wow. That was
That was exciting.
yeah.
So, subscribe, like, and comment, and subscribe to Light Welcome Jokerverse channel. Tell us what we should do, or what we would do next, or more. So, I'll see you later, my Light Welcome men and women.
What?